What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I am joined by my cousin Paris, and I'm at her house for a sleepover, and we went to the shop and found these Doritos dinamita, extra flaming hot, so we're just going to try it, see the spice levels. Okay. Smell test. Oh, that stinks. Oh. That stinks. Okay, grab one. Oh, mom's definitely gonna be on fire. We should have got a drink. We should. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Hello. Oh. Hello, I'm getting a drink.
I knew you were trying to. What? Once the murder happened, I had this idea that if I helped you guys solve it, you might win your missions.
I did not see that coming.
What's his problem?
Come on! Not only did they advance, you got better.
They're not actually that bad. Not even that bad. I just got one more and I'm eating another one. You're eating another one? Fine. Oh, not that bad. Bruno wants to come in the video. Okay. I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. 3, 2, 1. Come here, Bruno. This is my birthday.
Hey, Pops.
It's not bad.